Hey everyone, today I would like to give you another edition of my Excel spreadsheet exercise. And this will be about SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and COUNTIF functions, which I'm going to use for my summary report out from this batch production, which the production department has produced various products with corresponding volume. You may wonder where I got these figures, this volume. I got it if you haven't seen or you haven't watched my previous video about rand between function, then I got it from doing it by using the rand between function to get these random numbers. So anyway, I'm not going to do that again. So in order for us to be a lot quicker this time, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare a production summary report with various SKU. Right now, I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 SKUs. Orange juice, mango juice, strawberry juice, pineapple juice, and grape juice. So what is SKU? SKU is safekeeping unit, and this will be our finished products that will be placed into the outbound warehouse for safekeeping, and it will be ready by the logistics department to be shipped for shipping outside to various customers of the company. And what we're going to do in order for us to be able to get the total of this of every SKU, we're gonna use SUMIF, and we're gonna use the average if to get the average per SKU or per product, and then how many batch number that we're going to have for each product. In doing so, we're going to use the COUNTIF for the batch number. So let's get started. So the first one is the total. We're gonna get the total for each SKU. So gonna use equal sign, then SUMIF. SUMIF, uh, press the tab key. Then the first one would be the range of the uh, the record that we're going to get the record from, and this one, the products as well as the volume. Okay, so we got the range, and what we're going to do, we're going to lock it up by pressing the F4 key, and then next one would be comma and criteria. What would be our criteria? Criteria is the first one that we're going to calculate in terms of the volume. The total volume is the orange juice. So our criteria would be orange juice product or SKU, orange juice. Okay. Don't forget to include the double quotation mark, because if we're having a string or a text, we should have the quotation mark like this one, orange juice, in order for us to specify that this total volume that we're going to get is from the orange juice. Okay. The next would be the comma, and then the sum range. So this is where we're going to get our total numbers. Okay, total volume. So you just select all, and then go back here. Then again, okay, that's it. So we're just closing it by putting the parentheses, and then enter. Okay. So all the orange juice that are produced, like this one, this is an orange juice, this is an orange juice, this is an orange juice. Okay. This is another orange juice. Okay. all the orange juice total will be captured by having the SUMIF and having the criteria for orange juice listed here in the argument. So the total orange juice produced is 4,303,270, right? All you have to do is just copy it down, all the way down, right? Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, okay, so this is the problem. I forgot to fix, okay, I forgot to fix the range here. So this is the problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix it by pressing F4 and then pressing F4 again here, F4. Then another one, A5, I'm gonna press the F4. Okay. So what we're doing is we're locking the range. Okay. So that when we copy it down, we get all the same number. Why? Because the criteria are all orange juice. We copy it down, but the range, the range of the all the range of the, you know, the table array are the same because we lock it, and as well as the sum range. Okay, then the figures that we're having above in our batch production is the same. So that's why when we copy it down, the same. So what we're going to do now is this is for the orange juice. So the next one would be for the mango juice. So all you have to do is just, okay, okay, type the mango, just the mango, right? So different total now, different figure. Okay, for the strawberry juice, okay, again, change the orange to strawberry, just like that. Okay, simple as that, right? Then the next SKU would be pineapple. So we're gonna change the orange to pineapple. Okay, so pineapple juice is our product here. And then the last one is the grape juice. So again, change the orange to grape. Okay, to make it grape juice, our criteria. All right. So these are the total numbers, total figures that we're having for every SKU that the production has produced. So different numbers, right? So what we're going to do next is we're going to get the average for per SKU, how many average we have produced per SKU. So all we have to do is just, okay, copy this um, formula. Then we don't have to change the orange juice. All we have to do is just change, or we don't have to change anything in the argument. All we have to do is just change the sum to count to average. Okay. So average if, okay, then enter. Okay. So for the orange juice, we're having an average batch average of 537,909. Okay. So what I'm saying is, how many orange juice that we have here? One, two, how many batches? I mean, one batch, second, third batches, fourth, five, six, seven, okay, eight. So these are the batches that we have produced for the SKU orange juice. So the average for the eight batches is 537, 909. Okay. So next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna copy it again down. So as you see, since the range has already been fixed, already been locked, therefore we're not having error in our when we copy it down, right? All we have to do now is change the SKU from orange to mango, right? Okay. So see, if you make a mistake in the array mango, okay, it shows you an error. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have this, the correct spelling, right? Mango. So that's the correct spelling. So we have the right number, right? For this one, we changed it to strawberry. Even you type it, you don't capitalize it. Like for example, we try not to capitalize it, right? Still okay. So whether it's you know a big letter or small letter, doesn't matter. So okay, it will be accepted by the computer, right? So we changed the strawberry already. We changed the Now we're gonna change the orange to pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple juice. Okay. And then the last one would be grape juice. So we're gonna change this to grape, right? So okay, we have it. Then the next function that we're gonna be using is the COUNTIF. Okay. So just again copy this to the right, and then um, make change on the average and make it count if. Okay, what happened? It encountered. All right, we made a mistake. Okay, this is only in terms of counting. So we're gonna change the range. This one should be the range. Okay, it should be the range like this. F4. Okay, that should be the range. Then the criteria. Only the range and criteria. So it's different from the the SUMIF, okay, which is having the range, the criteria, and then the sum range. Since we're not calculating the sum, so we're only counting it. So range and criteria. Okay, all right. So just copy it down again, and then change the criteria. Okay, simple as that, right? So this would be again mango. Okay, next one would be strawberry. And second to the last is pineapple. And the last SKU is grape. Okay. All right. We got the total of each SKU right here. The first, the second column. And then the third column would be the average per SKU. This is average, batch average. And then the batch number. How many batch number we produce for orange juice? 8 batches, 6 batches for mango juice, 4 batches for strawberry, 5 batches for pineapple, and 3 batches or less produced in terms of batch production for the grape juice. So you will tell me that you can you can divide this to get the batch. You can divide the total divided by average. Then you get the batch anyway. Yeah, you get the batch anyway. Something like that. So why do we have to use the COUNTIF? Okay, or you can also get the average by dividing the total by batch number, still you get the average. Okay, we're going to make it. Put a comma. Okay, so we can do that, right? But what I'm saying is, what we're doing here, we're trying to learn how to do the average f function and the COUNTIF function. If you don't have, if you don't have the average, then you have not, you will not be able to divide and get the batch number. I mean, if you're only having the average per SKU, and you don't have batch number, then not be able to divide it anyway. Or we're not having an average per SKU, or we're having, okay, vice versa. We're not having average per SKU, we'll not get the batch number. Or we're not having the batch number, we're not getting the average per SKU. So just for the purpose of, be able to use the SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and COUNTIF. So that's why we're using it. But if you have both two, then you're going to have both the average per SKU and batch number. Then you can do the, just use the division operation. All right. Okay. This is it for our lesson for today. And thank you for watching.